Hey Lucky! Today I'm gonna show you how to easily replace a damaged flat audio cable on these great Sony XB950 extra bass headphones. As you can see, my grandmother's dog has completely destroyed part of the headphone cable. There are two options for fixing this cable: cut out the damaged part and solder the remaining undamaged cables together. I showed how to do that in a previous video, but in today's video I will show you the second option, how to completely replace the cable so your headphones will be as good as new. To do this, you'll need to buy a replacement cable. The link is in the video description. Once you have everything you need, enjoy the background music and follow the tutorial steps so you can fix your awesome headphones too. As always, if you have any questions during the repair, feel free to leave a comment under this video. Good luck!